Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today I am making some hot smoked sausage and pineapple rice. It's going to be a real simple recipe for you guys, and it should taste pretty good at the end. So I got the frying pan and I got rice cooker. And if you don't have a rice cooker, you can use a pot or cook on a frying pan as well if you don't have an electric frying pan. But so what you're gonna need for this, I got a 14 ounce. You can use 16 ounce. I think they got 16 ounce sausage links, and you don't have to have hot. If you don't like hot stuff, you don't have to get hot. I like hot, but you can get the smoked sausage. And I just like hot stuff and thought it would be good to go with the sweet stuff. So I got a 20 ounce can of crushed pineapple, 2 cups of uncooked rice, and then you'll need 4 cups of water and the juice from the pineapple. That's all gonna be included in that 4 cups. So not all water, and then I'm gonna put a tablespoon of lemon juice in there, and a little bit of kosher salt in the rice as well. So, well, let's get this put together and enjoy the recipe. And I'll see you guys here in a few minutes after we get everything started and going. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here that I'm just going to use. A little bit of olive oil in this. You can use vegetable oil or whatever kind of oil you want to use. And our next thing we're going to do is open up our sausage, and this is already fully cooked, but we're just gonna take it and cut them up into little pieces like so. And let's see if I can get this to, well, let me just go ahead and trim this up. We're just gonna trim the sausage up and throw it in the pot and let it heat up for just a little bit. Alright, it already smells good. So we're just gonna give this a little bit of time to cook up and brown a little bit. So While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead, open up this pineapple, and we will start working on getting stuff ready for the rice. You want to be really careful when doing this that you don't cut yourself, but you just take the lid and press down on it and just pour in, strain off the juice off the pineapple. And just stir up the sausage a little bit. Alright, I think that's what we're going to get off of that. So, that'll be enough for the rice. A little bit short of 4 cups, but it'll still do good. We'll still have a lot of fluids and stuff. Alright, so now that we got this done, gonna get a rice cooker, open it up, and got our rice. I already rinsed the rice, but we're going to put it in there. I'm going to need, rinse it, there's a little bit stuck in here. We'll just scrape it off with this rubber spatula and get it in there. Alright. And we'll put in our pineapple and water mix in there. And our can of pineapple. Put everything in there. Now we're going to put our tablespoon, about a tablespoon of the lemon juice, and we'll just go ahead and put in a little bit of the salt as well, and we'll go ahead and put our sausage in there. This is going to turn out real good, guys. So just put it all right in this, right in here. I got white rice, so I gotta get my spoon here. And I'm just gonna give this a good stir. Turn that off, but we'll give everything a good stir up in this in the rice cooker. Get the rice all stirred up in there. Make sure it's all good to go. Alright, that's good and stirred up. So all we got to do is close the rice cooker and push the setting for the white rice, and then we'll just wait for this thing to beep and it will be all done. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes here. As soon as this beeps, we'll come up and give this a try. So I'll see you guys shortly. Okay guys, everything should be ready. So it'll be a buzzer went off on this thing, so I'm gonna open it up. Smells so good. Just want you to look at that. Just look at that. Oh, that just looks so good. Smells really good. I'll tell you, as this was cooking, we'll just give it a good stir up here. But it just looks good. It smelled good as it was cooking in here. We'll just give it a good stir and get it all mixed in again. And it's pretty mixed in there. And it looks good too. And again, if you don't have a rice cooker like this, this rice cooker comes in handy. I actually got this from my sister. So, and you just put it in there, put your water in, and push a button, and it works great. So, alright, so let's dip this out here. And we'll give it a try. So you can see, there it is. So let's give this a little bit of a taste. So again, this is hot smoked sausage with pineapple rice. So so here we go. This is good, guys. Has a lot of good flavor. Spiciness of the sausage goes really good with the sweetness of the sweetness of the pineapple. The pineapple gives the rice a good flavor, and just goes along great with it. And you just adding the pineapple juice in with the water, with the liquid part, adds a really good flavor for the rice. So, okay guys, this is the hot smoked sausage with pineapple rice. So take time to comment below what you think, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to catch other videos like this, subscribe to my channel and you'll get notifications on the videos. And I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. I want you guys to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. I'm going to finish this up and enjoy it. So see you guys later.